So I just got my Vego Raised Garden Bed delivered, and I'm gonna get it set up. I'm gonna be growing some tomatoes, some cucumbers, some herbs, and I wanna show you guys how easy these things are to set up in case you wanna grow some stuff in a raised bed without having to get a bunch of wood and making one from scratch. So they are modular. You can choose your design, but I'm going with this. Uses all the pieces. And then the first thing you're gonna wanna do is they all have these plastic coverings. The instructions are super easy to follow. It's a little bit time consuming. You're gonna start with the straight ones and just one by one get them connected. I'm just using my hands at first, and then I'll go back and use a drill to just really tighten things. And then the last thing to do is put this edging around. If you put some tension on it and pull it as you place it, it makes it a little easier. Especially where they overlap. So from start to finish, taking it out of the box to being totally complete, using a drill to tighten all those bolts, took me about 45 minutes. Not bad, a lot of screws, but you know it's gonna be really secure. The metal is nice and strong, screws are good. This top edging feels nice. Let's see how heavy it is. I'd say like 20 pounds max. And of course, this is the 2 foot by 8 foot. Should be a perfect size for a few tomatoes, some herbs, maybe a cucumber as well. If you're looking to add a nice high quality raised garden bed, just check the video description below. You'll find a link to this guy along with a discount code that will give you a little bit of discount to get your garden started. I'll catch you guys later. Ciao.